So our project for EC 4760 is T-Bot, which is this robot right here. And so with this robot, you're able to have two modes. The first mode is where you touch a path on the touch screen, and then the robot traverses that path. And then the second mode is where you're able to directly control it. So depending on where you touch on the screen, it's able to go forward, left, right, or backwards.
So you have a direct control. So you could position it on the floor and then give it a automatic command
yes.
to...
And if we were to expand this to remote control in the future, it'd be easy to
So you
switch
could,
modes.
so you would put the touch screen on a base station and then send the commands by radio link off to the robot.
So basically, to map the screen size to the floor size, what we did is we took this floor and took the tiles and then split it up into the number of tiles that we wanted the screen. So we split it up into 6 tiles vertically and 9 tiles horizontally.
And that corresponds to on the floor to, if I look at my own foot here, it's about a 1 square foot tile. Okay, and so would you like to demo it? Tell me what you're doing.
Yeah, no, for sure. Let's get down here.
Yeah. So this is just going to be a straight line.
It's a straight line and a diagonal, so it's going straight. And we got the right angle. And then turning again. And it stops. Okay?
Okay, and then I'm just going to bring it back and I'm going to change modes.
Change modes back to hand mode now.
Yes. So, left, right, forward.
So you can just run it backwards by touching the corner. Okay. All right, so let's, can you do, take it back over there, and see, you did a sort of a double L-shaped path there. So, let's see, can you do a square? Would it get tangled up in itself?
You should be able to do a square.
Try it.
Yeah.
Let's try
Move it
it.
over a little bit, yeah. It'll be more of a rectangle though.
Okay, sure, yeah. The angles are pretty good. They're very close to 90. And you're doing that open loop, right?
Yep.
And that's pretty close to where it started. Stop! It stopped. So it's within a foot of where it started.
Yeah, with the wheel in the front, because of the way that it rotates, whenever it makes a turn, sometimes it's just slightly off, which makes the angle a little bit off.
Still, it over several feet, it closed within a foot, which
no,
is
for sure.
which is pretty good for open loop, right? Cool. So the technologies here are the touch screen and decoding the touch screen, and then turning those into commands for the stepper motors.
Yes, so we just have a 4-wire resistive touchscreen. It's mounted on an LCD, which we aren't using at the time.
Okay.
So it's
So and how did you convert the commands? Was that hard to do? I'm trying to think that through. So you have to deduce the distance, and then you have to.
So first thing we did was we quantized the grid onto our LCD, so
Okay.
that we can generate a list of points.
Okay.
And make sure that there weren't repeats or anything, and then we had to do point-by-point calculations.
So we took the distance formula from tile to tile and basically mapped that to how many rotations that would take on the servers to actually turn the wheel that distance.
Okay.
And then just fine-tuned it by testing.
Okay, very cool. Thank you.